How to use PrintPen. First, scan the QR code on the instruction manual to download the Evebot Snap app. Install the ink cartridge by holding both ends and sliding it into place. Press and hold the function button for 3 seconds to power it on. Open the app, allow the required permissions. Then tap Not Connected to add your printer. Now you can start creating. Type any text in any language or upload your own design. Tap Font to adjust size, thickness, and style. When you're ready, hit Print to send the design to the device. When the page displays printing, you can start printing. Use the auxiliary ruler to align your starting position for more precise results. Then simply slide the pen to complete the print. The printer also supports memory function and continuous printing, so you can print the same design multiple times without re-uploading, making it faster and more efficient. Want to switch designs? Tap Clean to clear the previous file. You can upload new images, adjust size and brightness, and print again. With the help of the ruler, you can even print on foamy drinks, food, and more.